Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to save your work in Blender as either an animation or a still image on your PC. I prepared a simple animation of a cube rotating. We'll use this to learn how to save both an animation and a single image. First, click the camera view to check what area will be captured. From here, we'll adjust the render properties, which is camera icon, and output properties, which is a plane icon. Rendering is the process of generating images or animations, and it's a very common term in the CC world. In the render properties, you choose the rendering engine. The two most common ones are Eevee and Cycles. To explain them in a super simple way, Eevee is a fast, preview-oriented engine, where Cycles is slower but produces higher quality results. Either way, the saving process itself is the same. Next, let's set up the output properties. The steps will differ depending on whether you want a still image or an animation. First, let's look at saving a still image. Move to the frame you want to save as an image, then check the resolution and the format. If it looks fine, go to the Output tab. The file output path you see here doesn't matter for single images. You'll choose where to save later after rendering is done. Set the format to your preferred image type. Then go to the top left render menu and choose Render Image. A new window will open, and Blender will render the area defined by the camera. Once it finishes, go to the Image menu and select Save As to pick your file name and location. And that's it. Now for saving an animation. The resolution settings are the same as with images. Choose the frame rate and the frame range you want to render. Then move to the Output tab. Set the file format to FFmpeg video, and in the encoding section, choose the format you want to export in. Next, set the output path and file name. Make sure the file extension matches the format you selected in encoding. After that, go to the Render menu and choose Render Animation. A new window will open and Blender will begin rendering your animation. Unlike images, the finished file will be automatically saved to the path you specified. And that's how you save your work in Blender as either a still image or an animation. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.